Hi, my name is Callie Cow, and I have come to my friend Ginger Lumen, who I know is a friend of Kevin Honeycutt's. I've come to her, Horace, because I know she can get a hold of you. Kevin is getting the wrong information from you, Horace, and he's gonna end up in trouble someday. You've been steering him wrong. So, let's talk. Sheridan, Wyoming. You said that it was in the northeast part of America and that it was formed in 1776. You are wrong. I don't know what the right answer is. Sorry, but I know that can't be right. I've seen a map. Also, you said that the temperature is 120 degrees there in Sheridan, Wyoming. That's not right. Wyoming is up north, not northeast, but it's up north, and it does not get that warm there, does it, boys and girls? Horace, help Kevin. Don't hurt him. You said the population was 1,700 people. That could be true. I don't know. But you did say that one of the first men who ever landed on the moon is living in Sheridan, Wyoming, outside of town, in a wigwam? Oh, boy, you make my head spin. Please, Horace, please make sure you give information to Kevin that's good, but I want my boys and girls out there, all you out there who are smart and who have computers, because I can't use a computer, please, could you look up good information and send it to Kevin and let him know that he won't go wrong if he listens to you and not Horace. Please, this is Callie Cow. I'll talk to you all later. Horace, be good.